Stand tall and sweep your arms up slowly. Reach long through your fingertips. Your body should look tall, open, and ready to move. Roll your shoulders forward and back like a wave. Keep your chest lifted. Your body should look loose and smooth. Lift one knee and hug it close. Keep your balance steady. Your body should look tall, centered, and calm. Stand with feet wide and reach one arm overhead in a big arc. Keep your ribs stretching. Your body should look like a long rainbow curve. Bend from your hips and let your head and arms drop. Relax your shoulders. Your body should look soft and floppy. Lower into a half squat and lift your arms forward. Straighten your legs and repeat. Your body should look strong and lightly bouncing. Spread your feet wide and shift your weight side to side. Keep your knees bent. Your body should look mobile and grounded. Straighten both legs and reach one hand down toward your ankle. Lift the other arm up. Your body should look long, stretched, and open. Step one leg forward and place both hands inside it. Keep your back legs straight. Your body should look low, long, and stretchy. Sit between your heels and place hands on hips. Gently open your chest. Your body should look tall and steady. From standing, walk your hands forward into plank. Keep your body in one long line. Your body should look strong and straight. From forearms, lift your hips high and walk your feet in small steps. Keep your head relaxed. Your body should look like an upside-down V. Lie on your stomach. Lift your chest slowly, then lower gently. Keep elbows close. Your body should look smooth and flowing. Lie on your back and pull one knee across your body. Stretch the other arm out. Your body should look gently twisted and long. Lift your your hips into a bridge and lift one knee at a time. Keep your belly strong. Your body should look stable and lifted. Hug both knees and rock gently side to side. Relax your neck. Your body should look cozy and light. Body should look balanced, strong, and steady. Sit with legs wide and reach both hands toward one foot. Keep your back tall. Your body lie flat with arms and legs open. Take slow, deep breaths. Your body should look peaceful, calm, and fully relaxed.